Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to buy household essentials on Amazon. So first, open the Amazon app or website and sign in to your account. Now from there, search for the household products you need, such as cleaning supplies, paper products, or personal care items. Then you can compare the available products by checking the price, reviews, seller information, and delivery options. Now choose the item you want and add it to your cart. When you're finished shopping, open your cart and review the items and quantities. Then proceed to check out and confirm your delivery address and payment method. Now from there, review the final price and estimated delivery date before placing the order. Once your order is confirmed, you can track its delivery through the Amazon app. So that was how to buy household essentials on Amazon. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.